Are you dreaming of sailing the open ocean? Imagine gliding over waves in your very own boat. But building a boat feels daunting, right? It doesn't have to be. Today, we introduce an incredible resource, DIY Boat Build that handles open ocean. This book teaches you how to construct a sturdy boat for under 4K. Yes, you heard that right. Let's break down what you'll discover. First, the book covers essential materials. You'll learn what to gather phase. You'll start with the hull and work towards finishing touches. Phase. You'll start with the hull and work towards finishing touches. This isn't just another boat manual, it's packed with handy tips. You'll find easy-to-follow diagrams and real-life examples. These insights simplify complex processes. Imagine cruising freely, feeling the ocean breeze. Picture yourself confidently navigating your handmade vessel. So, don't wait any longer. Grab a copy of DIY Boat Build that handles open ocean today. Download it now and start your adventure. Your dream boat awaits.